everyone, Stephen Hamby here with Denthogs Paintless Dent Repair. Tonight in the shop we're going to be working on a CVO Street Glide front fender. Has a dent right as it rolls over to the side, about 1 inch long. This has got a custom paint job obviously because of the CVO edition. There is no repainting this if we cannot fix it with Paintless Dent Repair. It would have to be replaced. So we're going to show you how to get your bikes repaired with Paintless Dent Repair, what that means, how that method works. I'm going to take you over and show you the damage and get set up and started with the repair. Guys, I appreciate you checking us out. We'll go ahead and get started.
All right, as we normally do in these repairs, we've got it mounted to our vise here. What I love about that vise and this T-slot system is that you can configure it to mount any kind of gas tank or fender. The possibilities are limitless. We also have a little bracket that looks like a crown there set up, and we're going to be leveraging off of that to shape out this dent here that's going right on the side of the fender. It's about 1 inch, maybe a little bit longer. So what we're going to do is we're going to leverage right off the top of one of those little crown bracket channels, and we're just slowly shaping that metal back out. We've got a heat gun, as you can see up in the top left corner of the screen there, keeping the metal nice and hot so that the paint is malleable and will not crack during the repair. And this is just a time lapse here showing how we're slowly massaging that metal back to its original shape. Every once in a while you get a little high spot here and there that you got to deal with as well, so we're just tapping down some little high spots here, just remolding that metal, getting it completely smooth till you get to this finished result right here. And as you can tell, the dent is gone. There's no evidence there was ever any damage to this fender. You know, outside of replacing the fender, which can be costly, Paintless Dent Repair is the best option for removing dents like this. It's like a time machine for your bike. So anyway, guys, I appreciate you checking out this video. If you're interested to learn more, you'd like to get in touch with us about scheduling a repair, you can give us a call at 678-544-3004. You can send us an email to denthogs@gmail.com, or you can click the link in the description below to go to our website, dentrepairgeorgia.com. All right, guys, I appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.